Okay, hello and welcome back to this question number 6. In this question we have integral of e to the power of square root of x, and here we don't have two basic functions multiply with each other. What we have is a function inside the exponential. So the first step we will do is a usual substitution. This one I will call it y, so I can just get a basic exponential function. So I will call y equals square root of x, and then of course you need to find what is dy, which is the derivative of square root of x, 1 over 2 square root of x dx. But then you need to find only dx. And how you find only dx? You have to remove everything from this side to the other side to get to this one. Now, this one we will call it y. This one is we already found it here, so let's put them together in the integral. So instead of square root of x, I will write y, and instead of dx, I will write 2x dy, which is this one. Now, square root of x, I know how much it is in terms of y, so I will just call it y. Take the 2 outside the integral, or what you will get is 2y ey dy. Now this is the multiplication of two basic functions, the y and e to the power of y, and one of them is power function, one of them is exponential. We use integration by part. The u will be y and dv will be everything else. If we do integration by part, I will leave it to you to do it by yourself at home. That's what you should get. Now the last step, you have to remove y to its origin, which is square root of x, and that will end up this question. So I'll just leave it for you to practice that one. Now let me go to question number 5 and explain it again here. In this question, what we need to do is we need to evaluate ex sine x. One of them is exponential function, one of them is trigonometric function. So we have to go to our word here, LIPET, and the one has the priority to be, the u is the one that comes first. So if you can notice here, we have exponential and trigonometric, and the one comes first is exponential. So my u will be ex, my dv will be sine x. The next step, we need to find the derivative of ex, which is ex, derivative of the integral of sine x, which is negative cosine x. And we use integration by parts. If we use integration by part, this is the formula. We have to multiply u by v minus v by du. U and v will give me this one, and then v by du will give me that one here. Negative with negative, this will be just a plus, so it will be a plus. Now we get back to the same situation as before. We have ex cosine x dx. Two function, basic function, one of them exponential, one of them trigonometric. We need to use integration by part again, and I will do it up here, and I will just copy the final answer that I got back here, which is this and this. This one you can just write at home, check my answer. The next step, my original integral, I will just call it I, and since it is the same as this one, also I will call it I. So you will get I on the left side, you will get I on the right side. The next step, move the I to the other side, it will be 2I equal to this one, and if you want to find I alone, just divide it by 2. Thank you for watching. Please let me know if you have any question in the comment, and I hope during the lecture I can solve this question again on Wednesday.